Landlords and agents who conduct letting and management activities at rental properties in Wales must apply for a Rent Smart Wales licence. As part of the application process, applicants must complete training to demonstrate that they understand their rights and responsibilities. Training options are different depending on whether you're applying for your first licence or renewing an existing licence, and all options can be completed online or in a classroom. Let's explore these options in some more detail. If you're applying for your first licence, you must pass a landlord or agent course within the year before submitting a licence application. When you come to renew your licence, additional options are available. Option 1 is to redo the landlord or agent training that you completed as part of your first licence application. The second option is to complete landlord or agent re-licensing training. This is a recap of the original course, but with greater emphasis on legislative changes over the period of your first licence. These options must be completed within the year before submitting the licence application. The final option is to complete Continued Professional Development, otherwise known as CPD. The CPD route offers more flexibility, allowing you to complete courses over the 5-year period of your licence, and is particularly beneficial for those looking to hone in on specific topics. Each CPD course carries a certain number of points, depending on whether the course is mandatory, known as Core CPD, or of the applicant's choice, known as Supplementary CPD. Look out for Core CPD courses to ensure your training requirements are met. To submit a renewal application, a landlord must achieve a minimum of 60 CPD points, while an agent must achieve 80 points. You can choose to complete training directly with Rent Smart Wales or through an approved training provider. To learn more about training options, delivery partners, and to view the full list of available courses, visit www.rentsmart.gov.wales/training-courses.